Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey of creativity and innovation? Look no further than DrawyA Arduino Microcontroller Boards. Today, we're going to show you 5 amazing DIY projects you can build with DrawyA boards. But first, make sure to visit DrawyA.com to get your very own DrawyA board and start creating. Visit DrawyA.com now to explore our range of boards and accessories and unleash your inner inventor. Our first project is all about turning your home into a smart, efficient oasis. With DrawyA boards, you can control lights, fans, and appliances using your smartphone. Visit DrawyA.com for step-by-step instructions and code samples to get started on your own smart home automation project. Want to keep tabs on the weather right from your own backyard? Build a weather station using DrawyA boards. Visit DrawyA.com to access detailed instructions, sensor recommendations, and coding tips to create your very own weather station. Add a touch of personalization to your space with a custom LED sign. With DrawyA boards, you can create eye-catching signs for any occasion. Visit DrawyA.com to discover a step-by-step guide, code examples, and ideas for your unique LED sign project. Rev up your creativity with a remote-controlled car that you build and control yourself. DrawyA boards make it easy. Visit DrawyA.com to access detailed schematics, programming instructions, and tips to build your very own RC car. Ever dreamed of having your own voice-activated assistant? With DrawyA boards, you can create your very own AI-powered companion. Visit DrawyA.com to find a comprehensive guide, sample code, and resources to build your voice-activated assistant. These are just a few of the incredible projects you can create with DrawyA Arduino Microcontroller Boards. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Visit DrawyA.com now to order your DrawyA board and start bringing your creative ideas to life. DrawyA, where innovation meets creativity. Get yours today at DrawyA.com.